Hi everyone, I was able to get hold of this LCI Facelift Tailgate from a 635 diesel, and it has a different lining here, different design, and the third brake light from the facelift models was moved from the rear windshield, rear glass, to the lining or the edge of this tailgate, and it is much more visible when you are braking. So I was thinking about upgrading my 6 Series Coupe, not just for aesthetic reasons but also for practical reasons, because this LED is much more visible. Maybe later, if I get hold on a facelift rear windshield, I will change this as well, because this has a different trim beneath the glass which shows the third brake light on the top. First of all, I will need to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, roughly 10 clips with this clip remover device. Have to remove these trunk trim panels to get access to the right tail light wiring. This right hinge has the electrical cable harness for the trunk tailgate, so we have to use this line. There are 4 Phillips screws here. This plastic has to be removed as well. Unattach this tailgate completely. A spike is a good tool for this. I forgot to tell you that you should really remove the negative terminal of the battery before doing anything with your car. When I install the new one, I will show those screws and the emblem switch install in detail, but now I cannot show you. Now I remove here with this spike the button, or this metal button that pulls the lock mechanism. Now comes the locking mechanism. It is held by 3 T-Torx 30 screws. The best would be now to have somebody with you to help to remove the tailgate and also to install the new one. fishing out the cable harness from this hinge in order to attach a new positive-negative cable from the right tail light to connect the third bootlid brake light.
Again.
I removed it because I don't like if they light up both the pre-facelift and the facelift one. I don't need this old one right now. It's a little bit too much for me. But if you want to leave it on, it's your individual choice.
Ja, így jobb. Így sokkal jobb tényleg.
So this is it for our LCI Taillight retrofit upgrade for this pre-facelift E63 645 CI. Tomorrow I'm going to professionally remove the emblem, I mean this type emblem, this glue, and of course I have to fill up these spoiler holes with epoxy, and then it's going to be sent to the painter to paint it black, sapphire black, metallic. It definitely made the car newer and looks more fresh. Maybe later we are going to change the light module to 2.0, and then we can install facelift tail lights as well with the LED blinkers. So yeah, that's it. The tail light cost me not much. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much it cost, but it was definitely worth it for me. So yeah, I'm pleased how it looks now, and tomorrow we'll give it to the painter. Please tell me what do you think about this project, and if you have any questions in detail about this video or any further facts you don't know, just write me on Facebook. Thanks and goodbye.